Namaste student. Here we have problem based on equivalent fraction part 2. Okay. So here the question. Which of the following are the pair of equivalent fraction? So you need to see the question. There are 6 questions. I'm going to solve one problem. Rest you have to solve as a homework. So here you can see they are asking that check that these two are equivalent or not. Equivalent means numerator and denominator are differ, but the value are same, then they are called what? Equivalent fraction. So I'm going to teach two method. Okay, whatever method you feel comfortable, you go with any one of them. Okay, so here first method we'll see. Okay, method 1. So number 1, so we have 5 by 6 and what? 20 by 24. Okay, cross multiply it. Okay, cross. So here write by cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, what we are getting? 5 into 24 we are getting, let's check, and 20 into 6, this we are getting 120, and this let's check, yes, this also we are getting 120. You can see that both the value after cross multiplication, like this 5 will multiply with the denominator of the second one, and this 6 will multiply with the denominator of the second one, multiply separately, like 5 into 24, get the answer, 6 into 20, get the answer, and check that these two are equal or not. If these two are equal, then you say that therefore 5 by 6 and 20 by 24 are equivalent fraction. Okay, let's go with the second method, method 2. Okay, so by definition we know that if the fraction keep the same value, then they are equivalent fraction. So you check here, first one, you can see that what? 5 by 6 is already in a simplest form, no need to do anything. You proceed for 20 by 24 and make this one in a simplest form. So how are you going to make this one in a simplest form? Okay, let's learn. Okay, 20 by 24, take the number which divide these two. Remember, same number should be there, common number. Is there any number? Guess, any number? Yes, 2. 2 can cancel this one, 2 10 ja, 2 12 ja. Okay, or any more number bigger than 2. First you try to take the bigger number. If you could not take the bigger number, go with the smaller number. Here we know that both are even, that means these two will be cut by what? 2. Now you check, is there any more number which is bigger than 2? Yes, 4. See, 4 will cut this one, 4 5 ja. Okay, and 4 6 ja. You are getting here 5 by 6. Look at here, this is your 5 by 6, and 20 by 24 will give you 5 by 6. That means you can see that these two are equivalent fraction. Therefore you can say that therefore 5 by 6 and 20 by 24 are equivalent fraction. Okay, let's go with another problem. Let's try to solve it. Okay, which problem we're going to take? Okay, we'll take this one, 5 number, 1 by 3 and 9 by 24. So here we have 5 number, 1 by 3, 9 by 24. Headline: by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, this will be multiply. 1 will multiply with 24 and 3 will multiply with the 9. That means 1 into 24 will give you 24 and 3 into 9 will give you 27. Since 24 is not equals to 27, this is the symbol of not equals to. See, take the equal to and take one line. This is not equals to 27. Okay, so here you can see that 24 is not equals to 27. That means what? Therefore 1 by 3 and 9 by 24 are not equivalent fraction. Okay, let's go with the another method. 5 number, what do we have? We have 1 by 3. Another one we have 9 by 24. As 1 by 3 is already in a simplest form. Okay, we'll learn this one. What do you mean by simplest form, sir? Simplest form we'll learn in the next classes. Okay, so 9 by 24. 9 by 24, take the 9 by 24, make it in a simplest form. That means check that is there any number which will cut these two number. Or let me tell you the definition of simplest form. The fraction whose HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Okay, like if we'll take 3 and 1 and take the HCF of 3 and 1, you will get 1. Then it is the simplest form. But let's check they are in a simplest form or not. So we are going to see that is there any common number which will cut this one. Yes, we have. Can you guess? Yes, 3. You can see that 3 3 ja 9 and 3 8. You are getting 3 by 8. You can see that since 1 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 8, both are different value. That means 1 by 3, therefore 1 by 3 and 9 by 24 are not equivalent fraction. Okay, solve this all problem. Okay, thank you.